Last night, we told you a COVID-19 outbreak forced the team to reschedule this Saturday's game with USC. Today, Berkeley health officials not only confirmed that 44 people tested positive for the virus, they also suggest the team was not following basic protocols.
Some players have been venting about this issue on social media. Crown Force Jonathan McCall talked with members of the team tonight. He's live from UC Berkeley with the latest. Jonathan.
Some good news, Ken and Pam. Earlier today, the UC Berkeley football team got a chance to actually practice a day after that news of that COVID outbreak here with the team. Talking with some of those players earlier today, they say that there was plenty of confusion amongst all of them, but after getting a chance to talk with Berkeley public health officials along with the university health system, they say that everyone now 100% on board with what needs to be done moving forward.
I think moving forward, everyone is very clear about, the protocols that are in place going forward and what is expected,
Clearing up the confusion over COVID-19 protocols. Members of the Cal Berkeley football team say everyone is now 100% clear. The team practiced for the first time Wednesday with a limited number of players. It came just one day after news of a COVID-19 outbreak forced the school to cancel this weekend's game against USC.
I mean, we've definitely had to adjust since, this outbreak happened. We've been lifting outside. Practices have been cut a little bit shorter. We have different things that are different within practice.
Tuesday, Cron 4 first told you when some of the players vented their frustrations on social media over what they say was a lack of clarity over COVID-19 protocols between the school and Berkeley health leaders. The Berkeley Public Health Department hit back, confirming 44 cases of COVID-19 on the team. The department said that members failed to abide by public health measures, including not getting tested when sick, staying home when sick, and wearing masks indoors.
The trainers and the doctors do a return to play protocol on anybody who's been COVID positive. And there's much that goes into that, but it's not something that the coaches oversee.
Cal head football coach Justin Wilcox not specifically addressing the comments made from the health department, but says he is optimistic moving forward about his players and his program.
There's still a lot of good out there, and I don't envision this being a long-term issue. Next year and the year beyond. Not to say that it's going to go away, but maybe that we're in a better place.
So we do know that two members of the Cal Berkeley football team are currently not vaccinated. One of the questions posed to head coach Justin Wilcox earlier tonight was if any of those two members are among the initial players now who have tested positive for COVID-19 in this latest round. He would not answer that question, obviously because of HIPAA concerns as well. Another big issue that we were concerned about is because 44 members of the football team have tested positive for COVID-19. Are there bigger concerns of a COVID outbreak here on the Cal Berkeley campus? Earlier today, I did reach out to school officials. So far, we have yet to hear back from them. As for the team itself, that game against USC has been postponed until December 4th. The team will next play Stanford on November 20th. So a lot of time in between then, but the team says that they are confident that they will be able to get more and more players back on the field and get them practicing as after this latest COVID outbreak in the coming days and coming weeks. We're live tonight on the Cal Berkeley campus. Jonathan McCall, Crown 4 News.
Thank you.